Good afternoon. Welcome to Fish Online Academy. Today we are looking at a past examination question. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the question. The question is on the screen. Solve the equation x squared plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. What do you do in this scenario whereby you're asked to solve and giving your answers correct to two decimal places? First step, you write a x squared plus bx plus c, the general quadratic equation, where our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to 2, our c is equal to negative 10. Then you write the quadratic equation x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then it will be x. Now you substitute the coefficients. Substituting the coefficients to be negative 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared minus 4. Our a it's 1. Then our c it's negative 10 over 2 times 1. X will be equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of 44 over 2. You punch in your calculator. Then in an examination you write in a vertical format, but because of space I will definitely shift to the right side. Then it will be x is equal to minus 2 plus square root of 44 over 2, or x is equal to negative 2 minus square root of 44 over 2. Then our final answers will be equal to, you're asked to put your answers to two decimal places. It will be x is equal to 2,32, or x is equal to negative 4,32. Then you double underline. You punch on your calculator as it is, and you will be awarded with 4 marks. I hope it was clear. Now I want to explain why did we use the quadratic equation and why did we conclude our answers to two decimal places. If you want to see that this is a quadratic equation, you need to note that you are given an approximation to two decimal places. You are also given there are no factors. You can't use factorization method. Being awarded marks, you'll be awarded marks for writing the formula, for substituting, and for getting the answers. Then you'll be good to go. I hope I've explained everything clearly so that you understand. Thank you. Moving forward to item B, I'm going to read the question, and the question is on your screen. The diagram is a speed to time graph for part of a train journey at a distance of 2.5 kilometers from a station. The train retards uniformly. Retards means it decelerates uniformly from a speed of v kilometers per hour and stops at the station after 10 minutes. You're being told from v to 10. Then it remains at the station for a further 10 minutes while it is at constant, and then accelerates uniformly to a speed of 36 kilometers per hour in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 25 minus 20. Calculate the value of v. To calculate the value of v, what do you need to do? Please note that you are given the distance. You are given the distance of 2.5 kilometers from a station of train where it retards. How do you find your item 1, the value of v? First, you will know that the distance is equal to area under the curve. Since distance is equal to area under the curve, our distance will be equal to, this one is a triangle. We are dealing with this part only. This one is a triangle. Since the triangle half base times height. Half base times height, our distance is 2.5 and our height half. But remember, our base is given in minutes. We need to convert to hours. It will be times 10 over 60 times v. 2.5 is equal to, this one will become 1 over 6. It will become 1 over 12 v. Being 1 over 12 v, you multiply, you cross multiply, you get v is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. Someone may ask, why did you convert to hours? Because we are given minutes. Being given minutes, they want to test you. The examiner wants to test you. If you know that if you are asked to find the V and our V is in form of meters per second and you are going to convert, then you get 30 kilometers per hour. This will be our V. Our V will be in form of 30 kilometers per hour. This is kilometers per hour, not meters per hour. Moving forward, we are looking at item number 2. Let us look at item number 2. Item number 2, the acceleration in meters per square second of the train in the last 5 minutes. Where did the train accelerate? It accelerated from 20 here to this part. How do you calculate? Remember, acceleration is equal to speed over time or velocity over time. But our acceleration, before I rush to plugging in the values, remember, you know that our speed is 36. Our speed is 36. We need to convert 36 kilometers per hour to what? We need to convert 36 kilometers per hour to and multiply it by 1000 over 3600, so that 1000 represents the kilometers and 3600 represent the seconds in an hour. Representing the seconds in an hour, you definitely get 10 meters per second. That's why I multiplied it 1000 and 3600. Make sure that you note that this question wanted to test you if you know the derivations of time. Moving forward, we are looking at time. Our time, remember, it's our time. This was our speed. Then our time will be 5 minutes. We need to convert 5 minutes. Where did you get the 5 minutes? Remember, it accelerated from 20 to 25. It be 25 minus 20, you get 5 times 60. 5 times 60, you get 3 seconds. You get 300 seconds. Getting 300 seconds, you now want to find the acceleration. To find the acceleration, what do? Acceleration will be speed over time. What is our speed? 10 meters per second over 300 seconds. When you deal with these things, when you multiply, your answer become 1 over 30 meters per square second. That's how you find your acceleration. Remember, there are 8 marks for this whole question, the travel graph. Moving forward, we want to look at item 3. Item 3, we want to find the average speed in kilometers per hour of the train over the total speed, over the total period. Sorry. For the total period, what am I going to do? This is going to be my item 3. Please make sure that you listen carefully. What am I going to do? We are saying the total distance is equal to area under curve. Since the total distance is area under curve, remember, I want to split something here. The distance from V to 10 here, we have been already told in the question that it's 2 points. For the first, will be our first, then second, then this will be our third. For first part, which I have denoted by F, we really know that it's 2.5 kilometers. For second part, it is 0 because it was constant. It will be 0 kilometers. Then for third part, what do? For third part, we know that this one is a triangle. Since it's a triangle, what are you going to do? You are going to say half base times height. Half base times height, what are you going to do? What is our base? Our base will be 5 minutes. But remember, 5 minutes, we need hours. Since it's hours, it will be over 60 times what? Our 36 kilometers per hour. Remember, it will be hour This one is in hours, this was in hours. So the hour and the hour will cancel each other. Then what are we going to get? We are going to get 1.5 kilometers. Getting 1.5 kilometers, I'm not yet done. I will shift to the top. You just have to remember these answers. You add 2.5 plus 1.5, our total distance will be equal to 4 kilometers. Being 4 kilometers, we are required to find the average speed. Average speed is total distance, which is 4 kilometers over what? Over 25 over 60. Why 25 over 60? This is in hours. 25 minutes, we need to convert 25 minutes to hours, so we divide by 6. We need to convert 25 minutes to hours because we are given minutes, and our average speed must be given in kilometers per hour. Converting 25 over 60, we get 4.4 kilometers over 25 over 60, get 9.6 kilometers per hour. If a parent, a student, facing challenges in mathematics, don't hesitate to contact me at affordable prices. Join my virtual classes today, and you definitely have A's and fail with B's. In terms of Cambridge, ZIMSEC, I offer virtual lessons, flexible timetable. Have a great day.